Hello YouTube. Today I am going to be doing rhinestone embellishments on these toddler size 11 Converse. They already came with some nice smooth sparkly glitter. I bought these on journeys.com under $40. Just to make these stand out, what I'm going to do is add some rhinestones to them. I usually have one completed and then I'll do one and then show you how it looks after, but I didn't do it. The rhinestones come in various colors and various sizes, but today the ones I'm using is going to be clear. You will need some E6000 glue or whatever other glue of your choice, but for me, E6000 has not failed me. You can use a rhinestone pick-me-up stick. These are about $8 at your local craft store. One day I didn't have mine, so I just used this mechanical pencil, and I'm using 3mm. Some of you may know this is SS10, and I believe it's a 6mm, maybe SS30. I'm not exactly sure. For some reason, I can't find an in-between size, like a 5mm or a 4mm in clear. I must have used them all, so I'm going to see how this looks. I really don't want too many jumbos on here. I may put a few jumbo on there, and the rest are really small ones. And I have these little Similac tops from when my daughter was a newborn, which was over 4 years ago. So just a little something to keep your rhinestones in when you're using different colors and different sizes. So the rhinestones, I bought them on eBay. A bag this size. This is probably your, they're shiny, but this is like your lower grade kind. Well, there's resin, then there's acrylic, then there's, what is it, Korean crystals. Korean crystals. There's many different stones that you can use. Oh, these have some nice shine, so these must be acrylic. Some are shiny than others. So you do want to have your fan going or window open, as I always say, because this glue is pretty toxic. Okay. And then I just have this wax paper down so I don't make a mess here on the table. You want to move quickly. If you move too slow, the glue will start to dry. I skipped the spot because I didn't have much glue there. And if you move too slow, it'll dry and then you can't move them around. You can still move them if you feel like you put it in the wrong spot once it's still wet. But once it's dry, you can get it off. I mean, if you really like pick it off real hard, you can get it off. And again, this is a 3mm rhinestone. And I guess be careful how high the fan is blowing, because that will help dry out the glue. This seems like it's starting to dry out already. Yeah, it is. Okay. Put a little dab here. Fix that little spot. I'm just trying to move them over. It looks like I got a silver stone on there. So do small doses of glue. If your fan is blowing too high and you feel like you might have a hard time being quick about picking up your stones, and the more you do this, you'll get a hang of it, of how quickly or slowly you can go, and come all the way down to the edge with this. Go as straight in a line as you possibly can. It does take patience. I had some extra glue up there, so no need to letting that good glue just dry out. But I like to do row by row. I don't like to bounce around. When I first started doing this, I would just bounce around, but I find it's better if you just go in a straight curved line, the way the toe of the shoe is going. Okay, I got a little shaky start on this corner, but once it's all finished, it'll come together quite lovely. to see where I would add some 2mm if I had some. Okay. Here is the end result. All that sparkle. And I think what I want to do is add a couple on the side, just to see how it would look on the side, just to add something to it, a little extra. I really like these. I like it much better having some. I'm gonna add some glue to the side and pick a couple of these up. Each to its own. It might be a little extra for some, but if several people have the same shoes on, my baby shoes will definitely stand out in the crowd. And she's just such a girly girl. She likes all of this bling and stones. They're kind of big, so because last time I did something like this, I did it with a smaller stone. So I guess it's kind of a chance it may come off, possibly, or it may stay on. And if I feel like it may come off, I could just put extra glue on there. Just to give it a little bit more strength, I guess, to hold. I like this little stripe on the side, and I'm sure she will too. Okay. I don't see how they hold up. I don't know if I want to do the inner part. I think that might be too much doing both sides. I don't know. Tell me what you think. But yeah. This is the end result. It's really sparkly. Really cute. I'm gonna do both of them. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Like, share, and subscribe if you want to. Bye-bye.